the happiness within yourself, and you will see that everything that was wrong yesterday will disappear. You're crying, gonna look the way you will forget about the bad things, those things that made you cry and cause you shame. But I am sure that you are stronger than you ever think about yourself. Weapon you can use to fight your shame. When you were sick and weak, believe in what your soul says. Believe in yourself, then you find out the comfort. Can you trust me when I say the power is within your heartbeat? When you believe in everything you do, then you will see that you can trust me. Listen to your heart, it's time to start. When you just need a sign, take a look inside yourself, then you will see you need another way. And yesterday you'll be stronger and stronger. When you just need a sign, take a look inside yourself, then you will see you need another way. And yesterday you'll be stronger and stronger. Trust me. Your faith is fighting. Feel strong and listen. Your faith is fighting.